that is what they call a dog bone. But this quality dog bone. This will make your house plug into your RV so that you can get some power. There's this, so we're gonna go ahead and hook that up. All right, we're just gonna get a little bit of power. We're in the driveway. I'm gonna do the slide, and I gotta get some stuff done quickly. Bzz. All right, are you plugged in to the house?
I am.
All right, and we are plugged in. I'll show you the line. We will.
That's very good.
Bzz. Plugged into the house here. And then I'll go in and show you the power inside. All right, we just plugged into the house. This right here is my disconnect, which I'm going to reconnect, which makes sure 12-volt batteries come on, but also your other stuff. See, my light's on. That's how I know my disconnect is connected. But I'm going to go ahead and turn on, well, I'll show you. Our microwave has come on, meaning that we have power in the RV now. Probably turn on the TV, but I want to get this air conditioner going a little bit. I can run the air and probably the TV on my house power to my house, but that's about it. I don't want to blow anything. We're gonna do some stuff in here today. Okay, so it's like 8:20 in the morning. We just came in here. I just came in here. I'm gonna do a couple things in the RV, and then I'm going to work on the slides. I'm trying to get some stuff done before it gets too late and before my HOA freaks out that the RV is in the driveway. But I'm gonna get working on some things, and I will have a little conversation with you in a bit. See ya. So the great thing about being plugged into the house is I can run this thing and get a little bit of cool air going while I'm trying to work in here, because it's warm today. My air is doing really well since I've cleaned my vents, so very happy about that. We're gonna get this RV cooled down. So I got these puck lights. They're Sharper Image. I got them at Ollie's. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Ollie's. I think we paid like $10 for them plus tax. That place is so cool to find neat little things for RV and storage and stuff. So I'm going to put one definitely in here because I'd like to be able to see in there. Probably going to put one here in this closet. In there somewhere. And I'll probably have one left. I'm not sure where else I'm going to put it. I might put it actually over there. But we'll see. I might just keep it out. I don't know. Currently it is, and it's 8 a.m. It is 78 degrees in here. Not bad. 76. Not bad. I can deal, but we got the air running. So it'll stay cool. So as I suspected, these do not come with batteries. So I'm going to go into my house and get some batteries, fill these up, and they are, you can stick them on or they're magnetic, so I don't know how sticky that's going to be. I have command strips too, so we're going to see if this sticks pretty well. But let's get some batteries, put it in. My assistant Blue here with me. Hi! Yes, I brought her out just for a minute. She's running around. She's probably like, what? Are we going bye-bye? Are we going bye-bye? No. Sorry. Okay, batteries are in. All right, I'm gonna test this. Of course, it's like bright out. Let's put it in a place where it's not as bright. Maybe here. Did I do it wrong? Hold on. Okay, I thought that they were puff lights where you push. They're not. They're switch lights. I see the switch. Ta-da! That's pretty bright. You get into a spot that's everywhere is bright. Here's like the bedroom area. Yeah, that's pretty nice. All right, I'm gonna put this up in the closet. Hopefully it'll stay. I'm becoming a fuse box, you know. Oh, hi, it's okay. I'm becoming an expert with my fuse box. I can see that this 20, which is what goes to my air conditioning, has flipped slightly. My fuse box is right at my bed with my dog. Hi, Blue. So I'm gonna flip it, but I'm not gonna mess with trying to turn the air back on. I'll just let the batteries charge, because that's probably just not gonna work in here. Say hey, Blue. Blue. She's not even. You want to go back in the house? All right, you can go back in the house. Okay, I have the same thing going on here with this carpet up here, which is weird because that's the slide. This is the top of this cabinet. You would think that they wouldn't carpet the top of a cabinet. But anyway, they did. So I'm going to put it probably on this wall. Okay, we are all installed in here. I got one more, but I don't know where I'm going to put it. If I find a good place, I'll let you know. Okay, goodness gracious, I look like death. Okay. So just want to let you know really quick, what happened with my power was I have my air conditioner. I had it running. We had it plugged in to the house, and we had it plugged in. It's a 20 amp. I guess it can draw 20 amps, but the cord that we had for it was a 15. So the cord got really hot, and then our house breaker flipped, which then turned off this air conditioner. But that's all better now. I just turned everything off. I ran it with a generator so that I know that it works. I really need to do a quick video on how RV power works because I've had issues with it, but I'm learning as I go. So, and then the other thing I wanted to show you really quick, I'll show you, hold on. So when I was trying to film before, I was explaining that this right here on the ceiling is carpet. And so I couldn't put these puck light things on the ceiling because they wouldn't stick there. So I put them there. So I put one there, close this. I love my little thing here. And then I put the other one in here. Oh, look, it already fell. Yep, the whole thing fell. Even the batteries came out. Crazy. Okay, I guess I'm going to have to use command strips. Okay, that's crazy. That thing, when it felt like it went everywhere, was all over the cabinet. I'm going to go ahead and put these command strips on instead and hang it like that. Okay, I got my little command strip on here. That's a lot better. The Velcro ones, that's what I got going on. I got my light here. So there. But yeah, it was weird that they have this carpet up here when there's carpet up here. That's just strange to me. But now we're good to go, and this one's on a command strip, so it probably won't fall now. Yay!